Stop. Now make that motherfucker hammer sound like.
Boy, I love me some Big Sean. Listen. Okay. The other day, I bought 2 pair of shoes, and I have to show you guys. I freaking love these shoes. Okay, I never been in these stores before. Didn't know they existed. So I got here in Vegas, you know. So, 1 pair of shoes came from this store called Chic. It came in the bag like this. Yeah, Chic is spelled SHIEKH. This is their website. If you wanted to go on there. Come on now. This is their website. If you wanted to go check it out, they have some nice stuff, you know. This is the shoe that I got from there. I could not walk up out of there with that. It was on sale. I don't know what the original price was. I forgot, but these shoes were $10, and I'm guessing they were $10 because it is getting cold now, and you know, beautiful, right? Hey, it zips up in the back, and I don't know if you could tell. It got a little Chic written right there, but I don't know if you guys can tell or whatever. But it's like this suede like material. I don't really like shoes like that, but I couldn't leave up out of there with these. Yes, I have a big foot, size 10, baby.
Now make that motherfucker hammer sound like.
The other store that I went to is Rhapsody L. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm guessing. Here's the bag that it came in. And there's a website right there. Okay. It's for some reason my favorite part of the shoe is the inside and the lips that's on the bottom. Hey, beautiful, right? Why didn't it look like that? It looked like somebody was walking in these bitches. But I just got these the other day. It's okay. This is the inside. I don't know why it says promise. Yeah. The lips. I don't know why I love that. I really don't. But these are so freaking high. I don't even know the inch. But these are high. These are beautiful. I love these shoes. And these were like $31.99. Yeah. Freaking love them. Yeah, so go check out them sites, y'all. They got some pretty good stuff for reasonable prices also. And yeah, I'm gonna post pictures of them at the end of this video with my feet in them. Don't talk about my feet. And yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys. This light making my teeth look yellow. Oh, there's something with this damn light. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys what I bought because I really love these shoes. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.